Hello everyone and welcome to a special bonus upload. I mentioned on Monday that I have another unboxing from NuSource. If you're new to my channel, I am a part-time reseller here on YouTube and Poshmark, and I post videos Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern, occasionally a bonus unboxing or sale, so make sure you hit your bell notification when you subscribe so you don't miss any of my content. And if you can give the video a thumbs up, I really appreciate it. So a few weeks back, I did throw in an unboxing of a ABC, Anything But Clothes Mystery Hard Goods box from NuSource. They, I believe, were $35 plus shipping, similar cost to the ThredUp Fun Box. And it was interesting to say the least. Definitely a really rough box, a lot of condition issues and wear, broken items, just not a good box at all. So I will link that here if you missed it, so you can go back and watch it out, and watch it if you haven't seen it. But I will say my box was not as bad as some of the other ones that I saw being unboxed. Carol over at RV Butterfly was the one that told me about this company and that box. She ended up ordering 3 ABC boxes the same time that I did, and hers were by far worse than mine. But I did end up reaching out to NuSource, not expecting much. I don't really reach out about mystery boxes too often, but just based on how bad that one was, I definitely wanted to let them know I was not satisfied with it. And I will say their customer service was excellent. They did respond back, and what I said in my note, was I was requesting either a refund, a replacement box, or a return. And they exceeded my expectations by not only offering a refund, but they did also credit me for the box that I purchased. And they did give me a little bit of a discount on a new one that I selected. If you watched my other unboxing, it was packed by someone named Irene. That card was in the box. And then this poly bag also says packed by Irene. It says it on the other side where my address is, so I'm not going to show it. But when I was looking on their website, when I selected the ABC box, there were 2 other boxes I was interested in. One was new with tag pajamas from Nordstrom, and the other was a Halloween costume box. So I decided to go with the pajama box. I do love selling sleepwear, especially when it's brand new. So we were kind of going back and forth in the email, and I asked her thoughts on this one. And she did say there would be duplicates of things, but based on the cost, I believe it's $10 the unit. I think there will be a little bit of a profit to be made here. So let's go ahead and get this open and see if NuSource was able to redeem themselves. But I was very impressed with the customer service, I will say that. So this is just a little care card. And here is a kind of first look at the items. They're all kind of, they're in their individual poly bags, so that's great. So I will offer items for sale during the video. I'm not going to open the pieces, so I will try to get a stock photo of the items, and I'll put that on the screen if I can. So the first piece is a Honeydew Intimates, is the brand. And this is a Something Sweet short set in Navy Night Floral, and it's a large. So that's a great size. It is a beautiful navy floral, and then it has the lace trim. So that is excellent. I definitely think I'll be able to get a stock photo of these pieces, hopefully. So that is a really nice piece. If there's anything you would like to purchase, just send me an email and make sure you include your mailing address if you're a new customer. Next up, I do have and it does say Nordstrom on there. This is by the brand Emerson Road, I have heard of that. This is a small, and it is a tie-dye print with a pocket on the chest. And this is the Lullaby tie-dye pink. It is a tank top and short set, and this is a small. So a really nice pastel print that would be pretty for spring. And it kind of looks like a terry cloth material. And it is. It does say jersey line terry. It is a V-neck tee. And then it comes with shorts. So that's a good piece. That was size small. And it looks like we did get a duplicate set for the honeydew. And that one is in a size small, the navy floral with lace. So that's good. These pieces should definitely be easy to list. And I did order 10, so we'll make sure we did get 10 items. Next up is another Emerson Road. And this looks to be a animal print with giraffes and zebras on it. And this is the Safari Verano ruffled long sleeve top and shorts. And this is a small. So everything is a little bit jumbled in the packaging, but it is brand new with the tag. So that one was a small. And I don't see any duplicates of that jumping out yet. And next is another Honeydew brand. And this is has a nice paisley pattern on it. This is the Ombre Bandana Lounge Set. It is the Star Seeker Lounge Set in extra small. So I don't know if those are joggers or pants or shorts, but they do have a drawstring. I can see that there. So I will try to put a picture on the screen. That's an extra small. And this one is also Honeydew. This is the Iguana Check. And this is also the Star Seeker Lounge Set in an extra small. And really nice color on that. It is neon green white, and then it looks like it's got a pink trim. So overall, there's not that many duplicates. Other than this set, we did get another one of this. This is the Something Sweet Floral Lounge Set, and that's in another small from Honeydew. So we got 3 of those. And our next piece is I don't see the brand jumping out yet, but it is a baby doll short sleeve set in small, and it's a mauve mist, so really pretty pink and like a periwinkle blue. And this one I may need to open so I can see what the brand is. I'll just gently open it at the top. It is definitely butter soft, which is important for sleepwear. This is You Say. I am not familiar with that brand, so I will look that up. So I don't think there's going to be a huge profit potential with this box, but all the items should be easy to list and brand new with tag. And then the next one is also by the brand You Say, and this is the ruffle sleeve sleep shirt. And then this one says set on it, and then this one says shirt, and this is a small. So this is a white with green and blue and pink flowers. So that is pretty. And then I think we're down to our last item, and then I'll make sure we got 10 pieces. This one is You Say in a medium, and this is a ruffled tank and pant set. And this is white, and then you can see the eyelet ruffles on the bottom. It's pretty. So a decent variety of sizes. We did get quite a few small, but we did get a large as well. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 pieces as described. I am not familiar with a lot of the brands, but I assume, you know, it is something that you would find at Nordstrom. So hopefully that's correct. I will look up everything, and if I can find out the MSRP as well, I will put that on the screen just so we can get an idea of the retail value of the box. But obviously this was way better than the anything but clothes. And more importantly, I really appreciate their customer service and them working with me to select something else. I would probably order from the company again. I was intrigued by the Halloween costumes. I think those were only $4 a unit, and you do get brand new and packaged Halloween. So I don't think they would move necessarily quickly now, but come fall, you know, I think that there would be some profit potential in that one. But overall, I'm happy with this one. Sleepwear always sells, and hopefully it'll be easy to list items. Let me know what your thoughts were about this one, or if you've tried it. I appreciate you tuning in to a bonus upload, and I will see you back on Thursday with a mixed jewelry from ThredUp.